Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn a new topic from general knowledge, and the topic is domestic animals. Children, the animals which are found in and around our surroundings are called domestic animals. Domestic animals are also called farm animals. Domestic animals are tamed by people and they are useful to us in some way or the other, like they give us something. Now children, let's see the different domestic animals. This is a cat. This is a cat. Children, many people keep cat as pet. Cat has a very soft fur, and children, cats like to drink milk and it catches mice. This is a dog. This is a dog. Dog is the favorite pet of many people. It is a friendly animal and it is called man's best friend. You all know, children, dogs protect our house from thieves and dogs like to eat bone. This is a goat. This is a goat. Goat gives us milk and it eats leaves of plants and trees. This is a sheep. This is a sheep. Sheep gives us milk and wool. And children, wool is used to make winter clothes like sweaters, mufflers, gloves, etc. Sheep also eats leaves of plants and trees. This is a rabbit. Rabbit is a beautiful animal and it runs very fast. It has 2 long ears. And children, rabbit likes to eat carrot, grass and leaves. Many people keep rabbit as a pet. This is a donkey. Donkey eat grass. And children, donkeys carry a lot of loads on their back. This is a cow. Cow eats grass. Cow is used for farming and it gives us milk. This is a buffalo. Buffalo also eats grass. And children, buffalo is also used for farming and it gives us milk. Children, this is a horse. This is a horse. Horse runs very fast. It gives us ride and it helps to carry loads. Children, horse eats grass. This is camel. This is camel. Camel is used for riding and to carry loads. Children, camel is mostly found in deserts and it eats grass. Now children, you have learned about different domestic animals and their uses. Now you all have come to know what are the domestic animals. So let's do a small worksheet on domestic animals. Now here, what you have to do, children, you have to circle the domestic animals. Okay, you have to identify the domestic animals and then circle it. Now tell me, what is this? This is a donkey. Is donkey a domestic animal? Yes. So you have to circle this. Now tell me, what is this? This is a bird. Is this a domestic animal? No. So you'll circle it? No, you will not circle it. Now what is this? This is a rabbit. Rabbit is a domestic animal. Yes. So we are going to circle it. Now what is this? This is a snail. Snail is a domestic animal. No. So we'll circle it. No, you will not circle it. Now what is this, children? This is a goat. Is goat a domestic animal? Yes. So we are going to circle it. Now what is this? This is a ladybug. Is it a domestic animal? No. So we'll circle it. No. Now what is this? This is a sheep. Now is sheep a domestic animal? Yes. Sheep is a domestic animal. So we are going to circle it. Now what is this? This is a butterfly. Butterfly is a domestic animal. No. So we'll circle it. No, we will not circle it. Now what is this? This is a dog. Dog is a domestic animal. Yes, dog is a domestic animal. So we are going to circle it. Now what is this? This is a cow. Cow is a domestic animal. Yes, cow is a domestic animal. So we are going to circle this. Now what is this? This is a tiger. Is tiger a domestic animal? No, tiger is not a domestic animal. So we will circle it. No, we will not circle it. Now what is this? This is a horse. Horse is a domestic animal. Yes, horse is a domestic animal. So we are going to circle it. Okay. Now children, there is another worksheet. Now let's see what is that. Oh, we have to join the animals to their food. We have to join the animals to the food they like to eat. Now what is this? This is a cow. Now what does a cow eat? Cow eats a bone. No. Cow eats carrot. No. Cow eats grass. Yes. So we are going to match cow with grass. Now what is this? Rabbit. Now what does a rabbit likes to eat? Rabbit likes to eat a bone. No. Milk. No. Carrot. Yes, rabbit likes to eat carrot. So match rabbit with carrot. Now what is this? This is a dog. Now what does a dog likes to eat? It likes to eat leaves. No. It likes to eat bone. Yes, it likes to eat bone. So we are going to match dog with bone. Now what is this? This is a cat. What does cat likes? Cat likes to eat leaves. No. Carrot. No. Milk. Yes, cat likes to drink milk. So we will match with this. Now what is this? This is a goat. Now what goats like to eat? They like to eat bone. No. They like to drink milk. No. They like to eat leaves. Yes, they like to eat leaves. So we will match goat with leaves. Okay. So children, you have learned about different domestic animals. Now let's see some common domestic animals. Some common domestic animals are cat, cat, dog, dog, goat, goat, sheep, sheep, rabbit, rabbit. Horse, horse. Cow, cow. Buffalo, buffalo. Donkey, donkey. Camel, camel. Okay, children, you all have to learn this at home. Okay, so today we have learned about different domestic animals. You all have to practice the topic at home. Okay, thank you, children. Bye bye.